Yabo, if ungangibuza mina ukuthi yini engiyifundile from watching le podcast ka Dr. Matthew le ayihostayo, and if you ask me ukuthi ufundeni nkulu, abafethu ayabona bethu sexual discipline mawuyindoda ibalulekile. Yabo, when I look at the situation kaMbali kule episode yakhe beno Dr. Matthew, and then I watched another episode kukhona uHlengiwe, I've realized something ukuthi nje ma umuntu wesilisa ukwazi ukontrola imizwa yakho, ungacabangi ngekhinqo, uyabona lonto le nemizwa, ukwazi ukontrola imizwa yakho, a lot of people will not understand. A lot of people will judge you. Njengoba ubona kujudge usamkele kuthiwa nje hayi akwazi unyaka wonke, kushuthi uyistabani, kushuthi after 9 u-undercover, u-bisexual, kuningi, yabo, without realizing ukuthi imsizile leyo nto leyo, whether he is gay, whether he is not gay, whether he is bi, whatever. That's beside the point. Ipoint la ukuthi if ngoba beyenza lento le content yabo, if ubeyenza lento ukuthi alale nabo, can you imagine izinto engabe siyazizwa manje kulama podcast? Because abanye engeke ngisho ukuthi ubani noma ubani, but kulabantu abawuthiwe ngibalalelile ekade usamkele enza nabe content, I realized ukuthi omunye usahead, omunye usaphoxekile, and uyabona ukuthi zonke izinto ayikhulumayo useyikhuluma out of uphoxeka, yabo, and useyi-victim, like useyi-victim ezinto eziningi ubengazazi, but then when you look at isikhathi abaspende ndawonye throughout the year, akwazi ukuba njalo, like come on bafethu, asibona baseLimpopo, akwazi mfethu, ayibona lonto leyo. Kodwa that's besides the point ukuthi mfethu sexual discipline is everything ma umuntu wesilisa, and you will realize ukuthi most of these women esimosha kuona i-energy yethu njengabantu besilisa are not even worth it, yabo. Uyazona ngani ukuthi ngiqinisele ngalento engiyishoyo, onaka umuntu wesifazane ukade umhupa ufuna uxosha u1 kuyena, make wawuxosha lo 1 uzobona what happens, you lose interest. Emva kwalokho mhlawumbe ushaya u1 ushaya u2 uphinde uyimashele ukhohlwa yena. Why? Because lo muntu uzothola ukuthi akasekho interesting, ayikho nje futhi into ehlalisile kuyena, kuningi nje mfethu, and uzobona nokuthi ibhondi kahle ingoba ayikho, wena ingoba buvela uyiqhanyelele nje umkhalela, but nje i-connection nazo zonke into ezifana nalezo, i-chemistry ayikho, yabo. That's the whole point engizama ukuyiveza ukuthi sexual discipline is everything ma umuntu wesilisa, yabo. And even umuntu wesifazane kuba nzima ukuthi akumanipulate or argue if une sexual discipline, but most of you will not understand. And umuntu wesifazane engakwazi ukumanipulate and engakwazi ukusebenzisa lokho, they usually accuse you of being gay or bisexual or whatever the case may be. Why? Because they can't manipulate you, they can't use their bodies, yabo, ukugwayina, yabo. So nje kumsizile usamkele nje bese ukuthi asike on business nje enze content, even though isikhathi esiningi most days I'm also one of them abantu abebengazi ukuthi bezenzele content usamkele.
Subscribe to this channel.